हॅलो नमस्ते. तुम्हाला सर्वांना माझ्या नवीन एपिसोड आणि नवीन अनुभवमध्ये स्वागत. ഹലോ നമസ്തേ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമ്മുടെ പുതിയ ഒരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്കും പുത്തൻ അനുഭവങ്ങൾക്കും സ്വാഗതം. Hi everyone, hope you all are keeping good. So you must be wondering what language and why I am speaking this way in this language. So two languages I use today to introduce myself, that is Marathi, and the other one is Malayalam. That means all, in this what I mentioned is all of you are welcome to my new episode and my new experience. So friends, you remember last time we had been to Nandgaon and the villagers were kind enough to teach us how to prepare chimbori rasa, that is the crab curry. So we decided why not we share our culture, our recipe with them. And today we'll be sharing a Kerala recipe. And so join me in this beautiful place and the beautiful surroundings. Friends, I forgot to mention, music is played by me on keyboard, and that's a Malayalam song. So I wanted to share the culture, the music, not only the food. So please enjoy that music. And the second music is I have downloaded it from YouTube. So enjoy. So this what we are doing is a Kerala dish which my wife will be showing our people from this village. So they are the villagers here, and she had cooked the crab. Now what I will be showing is how Kerala dish, one of the Kerala snacks, is called palampuri, and that is made here. Now this is the banana. This banana is a different banana. We call it in Malayalam नेंद्रपळम. ह्याला नेंद्रपळम म्हणतात. हे असं केळ भेटतं इकडे नाही. हां, हे खूप पौष्टिक आहे आणि जसं तुमचं खेकडं याच्यासाठी आहे तसं हे पण आहे. आणि जे बायका प्रेग्नंट आहे त्याच्यासाठी ते आहे ना, हे घीमध्ये तळून त्याच्यावर साखर टाकून खाल्लं तर ते जे प्रेग्नंट बायकांना बरं आहे. सो ऑल द इंग्रेडियंट्स आर रेडी and we have cut the banana into slices, not very thin but normal slice. And now we will be adding maida, that is refined flour, and about you can decide upon the quantity. Now what we have added is 4 cups of refined flour. And see, when you go to villages and visit them, and when they share with you their recipe, and they feel nice when we share our recipe with them. So I brought Kerala to this village so that we can share our Kerala recipe. Now we are adding sugar, about 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar. And it depends on, if you want less sweet you can just add 3 to 4 teaspoon or less than that, that's okay. And after that we are adding this is rice flour which we are adding, and that's about 2 teaspoon maximum. You can add some more if you want little more crispy, so 3 teaspoons. And now we are adding turmeric, that's just a pinch, or maybe you can add little more than a pinch, This is just because we don't use artificial color. So this is used to make the batter yellow. So that's how we use it. And now we are adding salt. So about you can add about half a teaspoon of salt. That's enough because we want this to be sweet. असं वाटतं हे सोपं झालं. आणि आता याच्यात पाणी. सो वी आर ॲडिंग वॉटर इन दिस. वॉटर इट शुड बी नॉट व्हेरी it should not be, it should be little
Not be very watery.
yeah, waterish. It should not be very waterish, but little bit, only that it should coat the bananas. So we'll be dipping this bananas in this and frying it, so the dish is ready. कसं वाटते? सोपं आहे? एकदम सोपं. So again I'll tell you. So परत मी सांगतो in Marathi. I'll tell them because their language here is Marathi. So मैदा, जास्त मैदा, त्यानंतर तांदळाचं पीठ, हळद, साखर आणि मीठ हे सगळं चवीप्रमाणे. हळद कमी टाकायचं फक्त त्या कलर यायला. So I told them, so I hope they will enjoy this. Now we'll go to fry this and the Kerala dish is ready. It just takes about 15 minutes. So now this will be the consistency for the batter. Now it's ready and we will start frying it. So we are seeing whether it is ready. Yes, it's almost ready. So can you put that in, Mila? That wood, can you put it in? Both. So my wife is doing here. Yes. And one small guy. Hi John. John is enjoying his mango drink. Very nice. Yes, John. Very good. So my wife is frying the bananas one by one and let it get fried. We'll wait for that. Now, one thing very important here, in northeastern states like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and all that, you can see like this, down there will be a fire and up there will be a sheet or you can see a mesh. On this they dry fish and meat and other things. Now they have kept some wood to dry so that it can burn easily. But this tradition is going on in northeastern states, and what I saw here is that they hang it here on this with a rope. They hang this and they dry the fish and other things over here. That's something very interesting which I came to know today. So the Kerala dish is ready here and I am giving him so that we can take he can taste and tell me how it is. So Pramod, तुम्ही हे टेस्ट करायचं आणि मग सांगायचं हे कसं आवडलं. हे पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही खाताय? So friends, now I am signing off. So if any of you are interested in joining this beautiful place, this beautiful country and this beautiful world and see how this beautiful people live, so you can join me. My WhatsApp number is there. You can just text me and I will let you know the date and the time so that you can be with me and enjoy this beautiful world. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for pressing the bell button. Thanks a lot.